gonna burp right onto the sound thing. Let's play loud. And you just totally look right down my shirt. That's the only problem with this camera. Here, I'm gonna videotape my video tape recorder just so that I don't like sit on my shirt some more. It's my friend. Oh, it's about to end, isn't it? Yeah, it is. And go. Yes, I'm in the bathroom. I ran out of places to burp, and I decided this to be really good to make me even louder. Let's try it out.
Oh yeah.
Let's see if I can do this.
What a stylish way to get in the tub.
Yeah, I'm getting to the tub. It's very stylish to get in the tub in a skirt anyways. Wow! Whoa, water! No! Bad! Stop that! Stop! Smooth like a baby's bum. Well, by popular demand, I shall do this. I'm having problems. That was horrible. Usually those are, oh, whoa. Wow. How's that for an intro? So what do you think about this dress? Notice I don't have the flower in my hair because it's too hot pink. Wow! Heel broke. Anyways. Let's watch my friend burp, shall we? You stink. Oh! That was pitiful, Alicia.
I know, that was like totally horrible. Alright, here I am.
Pitiful.
Oh! I can't believe I did that!
I farted.
Deep bellow from within.
That was from the diaphragm.
Let's have a shot of the
Obese one?
obese one's on camera. You didn't know what to do.
Burp.
Your pants. Yeah, go. There. Like that. Like that.
Like that.
I can't.
Do something incredible. You're fat. I'm sure you can do something about it.
Yeah, dude, like a milkshake.
Do the truffle shuffle.
Yeah, trouble shuffle. What is trouble shuffle? You lift up your shirt and go. Well, like
Do the truffle shuffle.
Truffle shuffle. Oh, come on, guys. You're like.
Just lift up your shirt and go.
Yeah.
Once. The truffle shuffle.
Can't do the truffle shuffle.
You're fat. Yes, you can.
Yeah, any fat thing can do it.
Your boobs are bigger than mine are.
Your mama's titties are bigger than yours.
Her pant size is. Listen, wait.
Her pad says, listen, wait, Bert. Say it again, Tom, really loud.
Oh.
Say it again.
Bitch, lose some weight.
There you go. You too. Gotta go.
Yeah. Alright, is this still going?
Yeah, it is actually.
Nobody's gonna want to watch this.
Do you do the truffle shuffle go brr, brr, brr.
I'll do the truffle shuffle and I'm in a skirt.
I'm not fat, I can't do trouble. You're gonna like burst their speakers.
Okay.
Okay, throats. Okay, one more for the road. Nice big one.
You're on the micro. One more time, cause.
Shut up. Ow, I bit myself. Are we good?
I think so. My boat, like it. Wow! I'm having troubles burping today. Let's see my friend burp some more. Ooh. Wow, look at this. Careful. Mark.
Oh my god.
You got skills, Alicia.
I know.
Disturbed inside. She's totally disturbed. Scarred for life. Okay, go. Good. Like 1 minute left, so gotta make this count. One more.
All right.
And it's over now.